natural gas methane leak detection using an infrared camera or KMUTT.
So what if I told you that, detecting invisible gas right before the 30 minutes could actually save hundreds of lives and prevent, millions of damages? So, for preprocessing 2025, there was this accident happened in Putra, Malaysia. At least 150 people will suffer from the severe event. It was actually the gas pipeline explosion. So, a lot of people suffer from the ban, and also thousands of houses and properties were destroyed. So such catastrophic events will actually, happen not by the human errors or terrorism. It was actually the silent methane leak that is actually built up right before such explosion. So that is exactly the kind of disaster that our research aims to prevent. So here, as you can see, 5 years ago, there was a Stanford researcher who proposed a VideoGasNet background subtraction model that naturally detects the methane leak detection. However, they have the problem, their background subtraction is naturally slow, which is a moving median. It takes 210 frames to process. And so we raised the question, what if we replace with something faster and reliable for the industrial real-time application? So we replaced with running average and see how it works. So our running average is actually one of the breakthrough methods. It actually, subtract dynamically the background model, and then it's again we raise another question: what if we downsize the image? Do we actually require the full size of the image, like 240, 320 is really necessary? So we downsize it to half and a quarter size. So our results are quite impressive. The running average actually achieved up to 99.71 accuracy. And not just that, the process time itself is actually achieved after 35.88 millisecond per frame, which is 3 times faster than the moving average as well. And on the other hand, our downside resolution achieved up to 99.27 for the half side resolution, and the quarter size itself even achieved to the 98.14% accuracy. And so this isn't just actual technical improvement, it is a potential lifesaver for industrial application. Our finding actually creates something faster and more accurate for the edge devices, so we kind of open the door to widespread deployment of the continuous monitoring system in industrial facilities worldwide. Thank you. And questions are welcome.
คณะกรรมการคนไหนมีคำถาม
So you have the many indicators of the performance. Which one would be the most important indicator?
So here, our actual selling point is not just the accuracy itself, because the accuracy is like literally almost the same. One is our 99.71%. The original, the one that is proposed by Stanford professor achieved somewhere around 99.5%. So that is actually not the selling point. The actual selling point is the processing time, so which achieved after 35.88. So the original data set contains like 24 minutes video, and we have to process 10 videos of that 24 minutes. So when this running average process, let's say moving average process at least 6 hours to complete that 10 videos, why our running average achieves within 2 hours? So yeah, that is our actual selling point. Another thing is that we try to implement this on edge devices such as like drones and mobile robots. So we try to play around with the memory efficiency and computational demand. So that is also another concern with the accuracy. And sorry about the cover. So here's the model size, as you can see, is even downside to the 2294 sizes. So yeah, that is our selling points.
So what kind of computer you use to evaluate this?
Actually, that big one is right there. It was my laptop. Okay, so I actually ran it on the Linux system. It was actually WSL Windows subsystem for Linux, and the GPU is because we have to implement this deep learning model, which is a spatial number convolution and neural network, so it requires some GPU power. So I have to apply with NVIDIA 4060 model. Yes.
Thank you.
รางวัลนะครับรางวัลรองชนะเลิศอันดับหนึ่งนะครับในหัวข้อของ Presentation Award นะครับได้แก่ Project SP-CON2025 ครับ Natural Gas Methane Leak Detection Using an Infrared Camera ครับผม